Alicante, town by town. Rojales. Rojales is a town of contrast. Here we find large urbanizations and first-class recreational installations, as well as the traditional flavor of an agricultural town next to the Segura River. The river has marked this town. Its water has irrigated the neighboring fields for hundreds of years. The dam was built to protect the town from its flooding. A monumental work from blocks that, together with the water wheel and a bridge, are considered an urban hydraulic monument. The magnificent Charles III Bridge, with its 3 eyes over the river, is the most traditional image of this town, so proud of its rich past. A past which is exhibited in what was the ancient town hall and that nowadays houses the Archaeological and Paleontological Museum. In it, we discover all about its first inhabitants from many centuries ago. We can find more museums in the town. One of the strangest is the subterranean Abit Eco Museum, or Rodeo Caves, a series of residential caves that nowadays house the handcrafty market of Rojales. The windmill dates back to the pre-industrial period. Originating from the 18th century, it has been fully renovated to show the visitors the secret of taking advantage of the wind. In the Gasparito wells, ancient reservoirs where rainwater was stored. A permanent exhibition shows us the close relationship of Rojales with this liquid element. Omnipresent water in the village. Water used to irrigate the fields that also have their museum in the Hacienda de los Llanos or of Don Florencio. The agricultural past of the town is represented by this large farm where, in the different buildings forming the estate, we can see several traditional trades. The House of Shells is a singular building. In 1974, a neighbor bought this building with its cement facade and decided to decorate it with shells collected from the nearby beaches. After 7 years of collection, it is calculated that more than 500,000 shells complete the facade. Rojales rightfully deserves a walk through its streets and its surroundings to appreciate the magnificent irrigation channels and fields around it. But pay attention, walkers. When strolling near the mountain known as Cabezo Soler, you may find a young girl who asks you to carry her to the nearby river so she can swim in it to free herself of an evil spell. Take into account that you will surely fail in the attempt, because she is under an evil enchantment. Or at least, that is what the legend of Enchanted Girl says.